Hello, dear subscribers and new visitors. Welcome to Pure Delicious. I hope you're doing great today. Take one small or half a head of a medium cabbage and slice it thinly. One small yellow onion. Dice it finely. In this video, I'm making something incredibly cozy with just cabbage, potatoes, and a few simple ingredients. It's creamy, cheesy, and honestly, way better than I expected. Minced cloves of garlic. Heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Cook the onions for 2-3 minutes until translucent. Add garlic and cook for 1 more minute. There's something about the smell of onion and garlic in a pan. It's like the beginning of every comforting meal we grew up with. Warm, familiar, and instantly grounding. You just know something good is coming. Add the cabbage to the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Add a half teaspoon dried thyme. Let it cook and wilt down for 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. Grate 2 tablespoons of Parmesan for the sauce, and a 1/4 cup for the topping. Parmesan isn't just salty, it's full of umami, which means it makes everything taste deeper, richer, and more satisfying. It adds that salty, nutty warmth that makes the whole dish feel a little more comforting. Heavy cream, 1 cup, 250 milliliters. A half cup of half and half, or if you want a lighter option, use whole milk. Add a teaspoon of mustard, preferably Dijon mustard. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Parmesan into the sauce, and saving a 1/4 cup for the topping. A pinch of salt. Smoked paprika, a half teaspoon. Garlic powder and onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of each one. Ground nutmeg, an 1/8 teaspoon. And a pinch of pepper. Mix it well and set aside for later. Give the cabbage a stir to cook evenly. Now let's prepare the potatoes. We need 3 medium or 5 small potatoes. Slice the potatoes thinly, about an 1/8 inch thick. You want them thin, so they cook through evenly. Some people think potatoes are just starchy filler, but they're actually full of good stuff: potassium, fiber, even vitamin C. They give you steady energy and keep you full without trying hard. It's funny how the simplest foods are often the ones that take care of us the most. Cabbage is ready. I take it off the heat. Lightly grease your baking dish. Now layer half the potatoes in your baking dish. Overlap them slightly, like shingles. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Top with half of the cabbage. By the way, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. It's always so comforting to see how far these cozy recipes travel. Mozzarella, 1 cup, sprinkle half of it over the cabbage. Repeat for the second layer. If this recipe feels like something you'd make, give it a like or share it with someone who'd appreciate a cozy dish like this. It really helps more people find these kinds of videos. Thank you. This kind of dish shows up in kitchens all over the world. In France, they make potato gratins with cream and cheese. In places like Poland or Hungary, cabbage is often baked into comforting casseroles. This version sort of brings both together. It's not fancy, but it feels like home. Did you grow up with a dish like this? Something your family made that always felt comforting, no matter what? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. When you're done layering, pour your cream mixture evenly over the whole thing. Panko or fine breadcrumbs, a half cup. Grated Parmesan, a 1/4 cup. One tablespoon of olive oil or melted butter. This gives the top that crispy golden finish. My kids love the crispy topping. Sprinkle it all over. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, you're welcome to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Cover it with foil loosely. Bake in preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes prior to serving. This looks so inviting, golden top, creamy underneath, and everything melted together just right. It smells so good, I can't wait to dig in. If you give this recipe a try, I'd really love to hear how it turned out for you. And if it brought a little comfort to your table too. Check out my cabbage recipes playlist for more cozy cabbage dishes. I'm sending you so much love. Take care.